Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fry Trains Minecraft build showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know we have a tutorial for. And today we're looking at this massive Soyuz rocket carrier train that is actually carrying a full rocket horizontally on it. And this is the train that is used to move the Soyuz rocket from where it's assembled out to the launch pad, and it has a locomotive at each end. And this was one of them builds that probably took the longest to make the video for this. I think I had something like 15 hours of design work into this thing, and just hours and hours to do the build and then all the editing and narration. The hardest part was building the rocket laying on its side here, because I'm so used to building them vertically. But it turned out pretty well, I think. And as with all my builds here, there is an interior on the locomotive, so you can come inside here. So remember, if you want to build this entire train, we already have a tutorial video up for it on the channel. I'll have that video linked in the description. So it's a pretty awesome thing to have in your world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, everyone have a great week.